Shoulder.
Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to like, share, subscribe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest and that is my sister. We're going to be doing another sister makeover and we're going to be using some really fun like deep blue and deep purple colors, creating a really beautiful smoky cat eye. So
Super excited.
yes.
Ooh, I was feeling adventurous, dyed my hair like purple.
Yeah,
That's
so
why.
we're doing something to match the hair, bring out her beautiful, gorgeous blue eyes. So we're gonna have a ton of fun with this look today, so let's do it. All right, so I've already primed her face with the 24-hour Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. Primed her eyes with the Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer by Smashbox as well. She is a little bit lighter than me, but this foundation seems to work pretty good. It's the Fit Me Matte and Poreless by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Classic Ivory. All right, so for the transition and the crease, I'm gonna use my Take Me on Vacation palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm using my favorite transition color brush, and that's the Kylie Royal Peach brush. I use the color Starfish for the transition color, and it's a really pretty palish pink. It's kind of, ooh, no, it's not very pale. Wake up, bitch. And I'm just gonna blend this right into the crease. This look isn't gonna go super, super high. And I'm gonna kind of wing it out a little bit because it's gonna be a really pretty cat eye. Oh, and I forgot, I used the, I forgot something, oh my gosh, I always forget something. So I used the Lock-It Eyeshadow Primer by Kat Von D, and we're back. So now I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to take the color On the Rocks in the Take Me on Vacation palette, and I'm going to blend that into the crease and kind of up into the transition color. I still want some of that color Starfish to pop over this, so you don't want to go all the way in. Just like the transition color, I'm going to pull that out into kind of a wing. Alright, now I'm going to take the color First Dance in my Too Faced Sweet Dreams palette. This is a very deep purple, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and blend it into the crease as well. And I'm not going to bring that all the way forward into the corner eye, I'm just going to kind of blend it softly. Now I'm going to take this color Royal with my Oliver Shadow Brush and I'm going to press that onto the lid. I'm going to pull it up into the wing and just pull that up into the couple crease colors that I used.
I'm so happy it's raining though. It's spring.
You know, it's so gorgeous. I wonder if you guys can hear the thunder and rain in the audio. Now I'm going to take the color North Star right here, which is this shimmery light purple color, and I'm going to blend that into the crease again, just right above that royal blue color. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more of that deep purple color called First Dance. I'm just going to blend that into the outer eye and wing, right on top of that North Star color. Take my e.l.f. concealer and I'm going to sharpen up that eyeshadow so I have a real nice line for my wing liner. Then I'm going to use my Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell and I'm going to put that underneath her eyes. Now I'm going to use my booty blender. My booty blender.
Booty.
That's what Tyler.
I'm so excited. I want to see it already.
That's the beautiful part of makeovers is you don't get a mirror because then when you're done you're like, damn, I look good.
Oh, the Thunderbolt!
I'm going to take the light contour out of my Naked Skin Shapeshifter contour set and I'm going to press in that concealer. And this just sets it really nicely and gives it a nice soft look. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take my smudge brush in the color North Star out of my Kylie Royal Peach palette. I'm going to blend that right down from the corner until about my tear duct. I'm not going to bring it all the way in. The thinner smudge brush that I have by Sonia Kujak, and I'm going to put this down into the corner. No.
I just want to see what I look like.
You can't, this is a makeover. Now I'm going to take the color Royal and I'm going to take this line and buff brush and use the line side. And this is the Violet Voss Like a Boss palette. I love this palette. It was like 40 bucks. Totally worth it. I'm going to take that from the corner of the eye and I'm going to blend that up just like I did with the First Dance purple color. And I'm using a thinner brush. Because I don't want it to be smoked out. I just want it to be a nice line and give it a good pop of that royal blue color. I'm gonna take my Tarte Double Take eyeliner and this has a felt tip side and a pencil side. I'm going to do a wing liner, so I'm going to use the liquid side. I think I'm better at doing wing eyeliner on other people. Close your eye. Don't fuck it up. Alright, I'm just going to contour and highlight and blush and all that good stuff real quick. I'm going to use the Cocoa Face palette. This is one of my favorite palettes just because it has everything all in one and they just go really, really good with my skin tone. And Sarah's got like the same skin tone as me. She's just a little bit lighter.
But just a little whiter.
Just a little whiter. I said lighter, I didn't say whiter.
I said whiter. This is a blush brush from Sonia Kujak.
sister has a perfect little button nose with just the top, like the tip nose highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight right here. And my sister brought these eyelashes, so I'm gonna use these on her. This eyelash glue is the tits. And then for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir in the shade Noir.
Oh, that's funny.
I feel fancy saying it, Noir. And I'm just gonna use the brush and just like put a little bit on her lashes and just push them up into the falsies. Okay, and then for the bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna take that 90210 highlighter and I'm gonna blend that into her corner of her eye and right below the eyebrow. Give this a nice pop.
Wow,
Don't
looks
block
really
it.
good.
All right, you guys, so we have the finished look here, which is this gorgeous blue and purple cat eye. We're gonna put some lip on, but this is it, y'all. It's perfect with the hair. All right, and so for the lip, we're gonna use the Kylie Velvet lipstick in the shade Bear. And this is gonna, we like a nude lip. I don't know what it is, but
I think it just works really good with our skin tone.
yeah, that's probably what it is. All right, you guys, so we finished the look. Sarah loves it. It goes perfect with her hair, which is exactly what she wanted. So we completed today's look goals. I finished her off with a nude lip. I finished her off. That's what you said.
Stop.
So if you love this look and you want to do this yourself, I'm going to put all of the palettes that I used in the description below and a nice description of where I put all the colors. I did use quite a few palettes today, but they're pretty easy colors to mimic. I kind of winged this one. Get it? Winged.
Funny.
So if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button down at the bottom and don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I hope you had an awesome St. Patty's Day. Thanks so much.